Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set screen lock in a oppo mobile phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to see we already have oppo mobile phone, then you have to see different type of app icon in your oppo mobile phone. Then you have to move up and you have see here many more options. So you have to click on the firstly, click on the setting icon. You have see the result, click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many more option in that. So you have to scroll down and you have to click on the firstly, click on the password and biometrics option. So you have to click on that. So click on the password and biometrics option. So click on that. Now you have to see many options. So you have to firstly click on the set lock screen password option. So you have to click on that. Now wait for some seconds to continue this option. So click on continue. Then you have to see here this type of icon. Click on the user different password type option. You have see here many option. So you have to choose any screen lock from here which you want to set. I have to choose that one. Click on that. Now draw your pattern first. After that again verify your pattern like that. And then if you want to add fingerprint, so click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel. Then you have to click on the back option like that. And when you turn lock your screen, then again unlock. You have to see result in this way screen lock is set in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or pc, so please comment us.